This is Ọmụ Nkwụ palm frond. It may look simple, but in IGBOLAND, its uses are many, both in the past and even today. Here are some of the uses. 1. Warning and danger sign. Palm frond is used to draw people's attention to danger. If a big pothole is seen on the road, a stick tied with palm frond is placed there so that motorists will avoid it. If a dangerous animal enters forest, the path to that forest is blocked with palm frond to warn people to stay away. 2. Land under dispute. When palm frond is tied around a piece of land, it means the land is in dispute. Nobody should farm, build, or enter there. It acts as a traditional court injunction. 3. Burial announcement. When palm frond is tied or placed on a vehicle, it simply means a dead person is inside. Other motorists should give way and show respect. 4. Sacred protection. When tied on a fruit tree, especially by masquerades, it means that nobody should pluck the fruits. Anyone who disobeys will face heavy sanction. All the masquerades in that community will storm the person's compound and make away with goats, chicken, and other valuables they see there. 5. Oath taking. In the old days, palm frond was used during oath taking. 6. Packaging food items. Palm fronds is used to tie food items such as ogiri, okpaka, and other local condiments. 7. Spiritual rituals. Native doctors use palm frond while disposing sacrifices. They hold palm frond to the lips so that they do not speak, because they are believed to be in communion with the spirits at that moment. Palm frond, therefore, is not ordinary. It warns, protects, binds, announces, and symbolizes power. Truly, there's no part of the palm tree that is useless.